The hierarchy of Hollywood has just been shattered. For years, there was a clear line in the sand. On one side, you had consumer cameras, small, plastic, and limited. On the other side, you had cinema cameras, massive, expensive, and reserved for the elite. Then the original Sony FX3 arrived and blurred that line. It became the most popular camera on Netflix sets and the weapon of choice for the world's biggest YouTubers. But today, the game has changed again. Sony has decided to stop playing fair. This is the Sony FX3 II. And it isn't just an evolutionary step. It is a declaration of war against the traditional cinema industry. If you are a cinematographer, a content creator, or a storyteller in the USA, you need to listen closely. Because the camera you are holding right now just became a relic of the past. Imagine a camera that can see in total darkness better than the human eye. Imagine a sensor that captures colors so rich and skin tones so natural that you'd swear you were looking through a window, not a lens. Now imagine all of that power inside a body that fits in the palm of your hand, never overheats, and features the most advanced artificial intelligence ever integrated into an imaging device. This is the reality of the FX3 II. We are moving beyond video and into the era of computational cinematography. The heart of this beast is a brand new 12.1 megapixel global shutter sensor. Now, for the uninitiated, global shutter is the holy grail of filmmaking. It means every single pixel is captured at the exact same moment. No more jello effect when you pan the camera. No more distorted propellers or warped lines when shooting from a moving car. Until now, this technology was reserved for $25,000 cinema rigs. Sony has just democratized it. They've put the power of a high-end production house into a device you can throw in your backpack. But it's not just about the shutter. Let's talk about the dual-base ISO that has been pushed to the absolute limit. We are hearing reports of a base ISO of 12,800 that is as clean as ISO 800 on a traditional camera. This changes how we tell stories. You no longer need a massive lighting crew or expensive generators to shoot a night scene in the streets of Los Angeles or the neon alleys of New York. You just need the FX3 II and the ambient light of the city. It's a camera that frees you from the chains of technical limitations and allows you to focus purely on the emotion of the frame. The autofocus system has also crossed into the realm of the supernatural. Sony has implemented a dedicated AI processing unit that doesn't just track eyes. It understands human movement. It can stay locked on a subject even if they turn their back, walk behind a tree, or move through a crowd of people. For the solo operator, the one-man army creator, this is a life changer. You can run a full-speed gimbal shot through a forest and know, with 100% certainty, that your focus is surgical. It's like having a world-class focus puller who never needs a break and never misses a mark. Let's talk about the body. The FX3 was famous for its cage-free design, and the Mark II takes it a step further. It features a new active cooling 2.0 system. In the heat of a Texas summer or a humid Florida afternoon, most cameras will shut down after 20 minutes of 4K recording. The FX3 II is built to run forever. You can record 4K 120 frames per second, or even the new 4K 240 frames per second slow motion mode for hours without a single heat warning.